Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 19. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll discover a powerful AI tool or workflow that can dramatically increase your nomad income. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Hook. Imagine replacing a 3-hour proposal session with a 3-prompt engine that returns a complete client-ready proposal, scope, tiered pricing, negotiation script, signed contract link, and payment in one flow. Close rates tick up, response times drop, and you reclaim hours per lead. This changes everything for nomads.
Promise. In the next 9 minutes, I'll give you a working prototype blueprint and the first outreach script you can paste into your inbox. By the end, you'll know the exact prompts, the recommended stock, and a 10-step launch checklist, so you can prototype this on your next coffee shop Wi-Fi session.
Toolstack. Keep it travel-friendly. My recommended stack: your GPT provider of choice, ChatGPT or an API-accessible model, Google Sheets or Airtable for pricing logic, Zapier or Make for automation, DocuSign or HelloSign for contracts, Stripe or PayPal for payments, and Calendly for scheduling. Lightweight, mobile-first, and mostly browser-based.
Exact prompts start with 3 focused prompts that drive the whole engine. Prompt 1, discovery summary. Paste the lead answers and use summarize the client's needs in plain language for a professional services proposal. Highlight objectives, constraints, and 2 quick clarifying questions we should ask before finalizing scope. Prompt 2, scope and tiers. Use draft a concise scope of work for this client, then produce 3 pricing tiers: basic, single-month retainer; growth, quarterly retained work; and premium, 6-month strategic retainer. For each tier, list deliverables, estimated hours per month, and a recommended price range with justification. Prompt 3, objection-handling and close. Write a short negotiation script with 3 objection responses for common pushbacks: price, timeline, and deliverables. Include a 1-paragraph humanized sign-off inviting a call and linking contract plus payment.
Example copy-ready discovery prompt you can paste into the model: lead name, business, industry, primary goal, budget range of provided, budget, deadline, date, key constraints, constraints. Provide a 3-sentence summary and 2 clarifying questions. Use that output to feed the scope prompt.
Implementation steps, step by step. 1. Capture lead via a short form that pushes to Sheets Airtable. 2. Automate a zap to call the GPT model with the discovery prompt. 3. Save the summary output back into your sheet. 4. Trigger the scope and tier prompt automatically, mapping variables for hours and cost per hour from your pricing sheet. 5. Generate a Google Doc or PDF proposal using the model output. 6. Attach a contract template populated with client name via DocuSign, plus a Stripe payment link. 7. Send an email with the proposal, contract link, and a Calendly booking link for a 15-minute review call. 8. Add a manual review notification to yourself for any proposal above a price threshold.
Mobile-first tips: make your lead form small so it works in mobile browsers. Use Zapier mobile app for alerts, and design your contract and proposal templates to look good on phones: short sections, bullet points, and a clear CTA button for payment. If a client is signing from a beach cafe, everything still needs to be crystal clear.
How this creates income and saves time. Realistic example. Say you used to spend 3 hours per proposal and won 10% of them. By trimming proposal time to 10 minutes and improving close rates to 25% with tailored pricing and faster follow-up, you can handle 18 times the leads for the same time investment and triple your retained clients. Converting one-off projects into a 3-month retainer at even a modest uplift in average price multiplies monthly recurring revenue, and that's visa-friendly income.
Pitfalls and ethics. Quick lens from me. Don't let automation hide ambiguity. 2 main risks: automated proposals that overpromise, or opaque pricing that surprises clients. Mitigations. Always include a human review step and a clear revision clause. Add a short personalized intro paragraph, written or recorded by you, so the client knows a real person stands behind the numbers. Transparency builds trust, and trust builds retainers.
Also, watch for toolchain failures. Set monitoring alerts for failed automations.
Keep a manual email template to send proposals if a Zap breaks, and have a simple public payment page as a fallback. For consent, make it clear in your outreach that pricing is a starting point, and invite the client to a short alignment call before signing.
Immediate action, a 10-step launch checklist you can run through in a single coffee session. 1. Create a 3-question lead capture form. 2. Build a pricing calc sheet with cost per hour and margin targets. 3. Set up your GPT prompts in a Zap or script. 4. Create a proposal template. 5. Create a contract template in DocuSign. 6. Wire up Stripe for payments. 7. Add a Calendly link for a 15-minute review. 8. Configure alerts for failures. 9. Draft your outreach email using the generated summary. 10. Run one test lead end-to-end and do a human review before sending live.
Final pitch. If you want templates, Zap recipes, and hands-on support, join the 5-day Nomad Proposal Lab, a guided sprint where you ship a working prototype with feedback and templates you can reuse. Enrollment details are at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. I'll see you inside if you want to move faster.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Quick parting note. Start small, but think big. Iterate your prompts, log the outcomes, and keep the human touch in the loop. The human plus AI advantage is where sustainable client relationships live.